Hi there, I'm Brenda Cadman, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, let's look at a quick Canva hack you can use to stop images from being pulled into the wrong areas of your design. So let's jump into Canva. Occasionally, you'll be working on a design that contains multiple components, and you may run into the challenge of inadvertently dragging an image into a frame or a grid that you don't want in that grid or frame because it overwrites something else that should be in that grid or frame. For example, this graphic uses a grid on top of a laptop image, and that's where I want to put this title screen image for my free Canva training. However, if I wanted to add the Canva logo over top of this training cover image, if I tried to put the icon on top there, because this grid is here, it's automatically pulling in that logo image. Not what I want. And you may have encountered the same problem where you can't seem to stop a grid or frame from pulling in an image. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the grid first by selecting the grid and then clicking on the padlock icon in the top right. Now when I add the Canva logo and drag it over top of that grid area, it does not pull it in. By locking the grid image first, it prevents any further changes from happening to that element. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more Canva tips and tutorials, and be sure to check out the How to Use Canva membership, where I'm serving up Canva knowledge, inspiration, and support on a monthly basis.